Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale advertising spend with Google Ads easy tutorial step by step clearly. Identify your advertising goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your Google Ads. Set a clear budget for your campaigns. Start with a budget that you are comfortable with. Create a Google Ads account if you haven't already. Go to the Google Ads website and follow the sign-up process. Familiarize yourself with the Google Ads dashboard. Explore the interface to understand its features and tools. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant terms. Use tools like the Google Keyword Planner for this task. Create a campaign structure based on your goals. Decide on the type of campaign you want to run, such as search, display, or video. Set up ad groups within your campaign. Group your keywords into themes for better targeting. Write compelling ad copy that resonates with your audience. Focus on key benefits and calls to action in your ads. Select relevant keywords for your ad groups. Aim for a mix of short-tail and long-tail keywords. Set your bids based on your budget and competition. Choose between manual bidding or automated strategies. Launch your campaign and monitor its performance. Use the Google Ads dashboard to track key metrics. Analyze metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. Identify which ads and keywords perform well. Adjust your bids and budget based on performance insights. Increase spend on high-performing keywords to scale effectively. Pause or optimize low-performing ads to improve ROI. Test different ad variations to see what resonates best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.